Natural resources are any substances, including energy sources, that are sourced from the environment. Without natural resources, our way of living would not be possible. The cars we drive, the phones we rely on, the homes that shelter us, the food we eat, even the toothbrush we use every day would not exist without natural resources. Natural resources that are limited in supply are called non-renewable natural resources. And that is because once they are depleted, that's it. They are gone. They are no longer available. Minerals that are mined, fossil fuels that are pumped from the ground are examples of non-renewable resources. Non-renewable resources are created naturally through various processes that take millions of years. The time it takes to make these resources is so much greater than the time it takes us to deplete them. And so that is why they are referred to as non-renewable. Renewable natural resources, on the other hand, can be replenished over much shorter periods of time. Some renewable resources like sunlight, wind, and wave energy are inexhaustible because they are constantly renewed. Others, like timber, water, soil, they are renewable, but they renew over months, years, and decades. And these are renewable resources that we would call exhaustible. So renewable natural resources may be sustainably used, but they can still be depleted if we consume them faster than they can replenish themselves. If you think of Earth's natural resources as goods, then you can also consider some of Earth's natural processes as services. We know we get tangible things from the Earth, but there are processes that are just as important. For example, Earth's ecological systems purify the air and water. There are ecological systems that cycle nutrients through water and soil, regulate ocean currents and temperature, which directly impacts the climate. Ecological systems help pollinate plants and even recycle waste. These functions are called ecosystem services, and they are just as important as natural resources. And like natural resources, they can also be depleted or degraded. We could not survive on Earth without the gifts of ecosystem services and natural resources.